Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you increase your coins per tap into Hamster Kombat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to proceed for this, you just simply have to open your Telegram, and after opening Telegram, just simply go to Hamster Kombat, and as you can see here, I am getting plus 8 coins per tap for now. Let's see how many you will get after the boosting. Now in order to do that, just simply go to this boost section and you have to choose this multi-tap options into this booster. And as you can see here, it says plus 1 coin for tap for level 4. I am level 4, so I'll get plus 1 coin for every tap, and it will cost 8000 coins. Just simply tap to go ahead and let's see the coin increase. And as you can see here, it was previously 8 and now it is plus 9. So you can also increase the coins per tap by following this very easy step. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.